views in Alaska hardly disappoint, and especially at 3,000 feet. My plan is to hike up Bird Ridge and get some shots of the surrounding area with hopefully some nice light falling on the mountains. Now, I'm a millennial, so I'm all about instant gratification. This hike supports that really well, if you can put up with the grade. It's April, so you have the ice chunks mixed in with the lines in the water, making for some really cool texture. Oh, little lookout area. Ooh. Ooh. So, judging by this other mountain over here, probably halfway? 3/4 of the way? JK? I made my way up most of the mountain, but the further I got up, the less of the water I saw. Finally, I settled for a couple of mountain selfies, then headed off the trail to get back into that last little bit of light. What's that?
How far is the top?
I don't know, I gave up. I had to climb back down the mountain a little bit because I was losing all the icebergs and water and stuff. But I do like this pano right there. Light's gonna dip behind that mountain. Should at least fire off something while I'm up here. Come all this way up here for nothing. Oh shit. Well, fuck it. Okay. After dragging myself back down the mountain, I started to head home. As the sun was setting, I found a little pull-out area, and literally from the driver's seat of my truck. I guess the moral of this story is you don't need to hike 3,000 feet and get all sweaty and have your legs hurting for 3 days just to get an epic shot.